Hello guys, welcome to the another Angular tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn about the Angular forms. Okay, so there are two types of Angular forms. One is the template driven form and another is the reactive forms. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to learn about template driven forms. Okay, so for template driven form, okay, most of the code is written in the HTML file. Okay, and in reactive forms most of the code is written in the TS file. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to learn about the template driven form. So okay, so we are taking one example, like we are uh, uh, developing one login form. Okay, we will take the email ID, password, and one login button. Okay, and on click of login button we can pass the form values to the TS file. Okay, and console it. So that's it. Then we can okay, so this code is already written by me. Okay, so you can see that all code is inside our form tag. Okay, so this is we can you already know about the HTML forms like this. So we have taken the input for email, input for password, and the button. Okay, so its value is login. Okay, so for this we are using the login form. You can able to see the inside our form tag. Yeah, so this is start with the hashtag, and we can give the any name. Here we are giving the name of login form. Okay, and equal to ng form. Okay, we have to use that. Okay, so and inside a single input type we are using the ng model also. Okay, so that we can bind this two input types to the form. Okay, so in both the places we have written the ng model. Okay, as you can see that's it. We have to do that much part. Okay, then in a click, but before that we have to import the Angular forms module in app.module.ts. Just pass this forms module in a import. Okay, like this, so we can able to use the forms. Okay, so we are using here one click event, get form value. So we have written one function get form value, and we are passing the login form. So what is this login form? This is our ID we are giving. Yeah, so that's ID we are passing here, form ID. Yeah, this ID. Okay, so what we do is we just we will write this function inside our TS file. So get form value, we will create this function here. So we are passing the forms of the type of ng form. Okay, we are passing the form of the type of ng form, so that's why I have written the type of ng form, and that I have imported from Angular forms. We can see that. Okay, so I just console the form dot value. That's it. So we can able to see the input values inside our console. I have already run this program using ngsurf command. So let's go to the browser first. So yes, but we have not seen anything because we have not saved the HTML file. So I quickly save it. Yeah, so we can able to see, hopefully. Yeah, so we can able to see our form. Okay, so so yes guys, I have written here a@com and 123 as a password. So let's open the console. So see our output. We hopefully have to get both the values inside our console. Okay, so I will clear the console values. Okay, and I am clicking on the login button now. So as soon as I click on the login button, yeah, so you can see that we can able to see the email and password our form values. Okay, so that's it guys, this is how we are using the template driven form. So there are many things left in this, and like validations, this we can do in the next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.